In this video, I will show you how to fix some number key not working on laptop. So guys, like 7, 8, 9, if not work, so you will see one key number lock. It will appear in most keyboard on F12. So now you try to type this turn on and turn off number lock and try. So now it's working. When you turn on this number lock and try to type this 789 key, so it's not work. So it's easy way to know this number lock is turn on or turn off. So if any number key is not working, so just try turn on and turn off this number lock. Thanks for watching.